Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Telegram app. Let's get started. Now what you need to do is open up your Telegram app. And you can see there is a passcode here, so just click on it. Once you open your password and you want to remove the lock there, the passcode, what you need to do is here straight down to this three line. Once you click on this three line, scroll down and click on settings. Once you click on settings, the next thing you need to do is click on privacy and security. Once you click on privacy and security, you'll click on passcode. You can see my passcode is on. Just click on it. Then you are going to open it first. Then you'll be able to turn it off. Just click on click on turn off here. Just click on turn off. Then click on turn off. Then you automatically turn off your passcode. So if you want to enter, you'll be able to enter without having to put any code there very easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.